They gon' love me for my ambition. Beautiful music, painting pictures, this be my vision.
Welcome back, everybody. Another rendition of Sound Sneakers, Complex Ambition. Special package that got delivered to me. So are these Yeezys, the Yeezy Supermoon yellow ones, the yellow 500s, the blush version. You guys already saw me review them. If you didn't, go check it out. The unboxing to that one. Popular shoe, but the yellow version was the first one to drop. But you had to get it in a package, a bundle. It came out really expensive. But me, I definitely purchased them. I thought, you know what I'm saying, I was the first one to put them on the resale market on both platforms, eBay and Grailed. I got even messaged and ended up being interviewed by GQ. I'm gonna leave the link to the interview fully in the description. But man, this shoe, it brought me all this attention and stuff like that, and I ended up taking it down because it would hold more value in person. And the shoe, nobody has it much in person. It ended up arriving today. These are super limited, but I'm gonna check out the entire package. Join me in this unboxing and review of the Supermoon Yellows. Let's go. So as you guys can see, it's a big fucking box. Okay. Start hitting that like, subscribe button. Start hitting that notification button if you guys haven't yet. But oh man, season 6. Here we have right here the Core M, medium for M, the Core pants. You get a close up of these later. That's not what we want to see. The Yeezy Core hoodie, I think. Yeah, that's not what we want to see either. I have the blushes, so I'm familiar with the box, I'm familiar with everything on the outside, but we definitely got to get into the actual shoe. So here we have a size 8, you know what I'm saying. I'm going to have the link in the description at Complex Ambition Supplies, the Instagram, and Grail.com/soundsales. These are going to be up for sale. But here we have them, man. There we have Supermoon Yellow Yeezy 500s. Now these are called also, I guess, Desert Rats, a whole bunch of shit. But here we have the shoe, man. Fuck that, I'm taking both pairs out. I'll tell you that right now off bat. In person, the colorway is looking really good. Really good. Close-up shot time. Yeezy 500 Supermoon Yellow. Now right off bat, like I was saying earlier, the yellow is not too strong. It's not like the frozen yellow Yeezys that they had, the 350 V2s. It's not that. It's more of a subtle yellow. You know what I'm saying? In person, you definitely see it more, trust me. But these are almost like the blushes in the sense that they have that neutral tone, earth tone colorway. You know, the earth tone like feel. If you get closer into the actual threading and the actual design of the shoe, the leather, the inner stitching, all that stuff, you can see the yellow. You know what I'm saying? You can see the clear yellow that it stems from, almost like a highlighter yellow. You know, here we have them, man. If you guys are familiar with the actual model at all, it has the Adidas hit right here. I believe there's 3 hits in total. Another Adidas Adi Prime hit. That's the material that's made from. No more boost. Now it's Adi Prime, Adi Prim, and the other Adidas hit right there. You know what I'm saying? Now a couple minor factory little defects right there in the middle. But it comes with the shoes, you know what I'm saying? These are shoes made in a factory at the end of the day. The bottom of the shoes, as I said in the blush review, very similar to the Crazy 8s, you know what I'm saying? Very similar to that Adidas basketball feel, very crazy, but it works, you know. The brush leather, you can brush it back and forth. This up here is pretty, almost like my favorite thing right there. Ortholite, that's Adidas sole. Adidas sole material that they use, a comfy, almost orthopedic. I think it actually is orthopedic, identically orthopedic. Now obviously this is one of the most hated yet most loved shoes. People don't like the dad shoe stuff. I mean, to each his own. You don't gotta wear them, you don't gotta buy them. But they're out, man. And here they are, non-marking on the bottom. I'm not sure what that, they do that a lot on the bottom of the shoes. I'm not sure what they specifically mean. If you guys are more knowledgeable of that, comment down below and let me know. But shoes always get marked up no matter what. You know what I'm saying? I think it means less of a marking than usual, but it definitely does get marked up because my blushes on the bottom, you can definitely see the wear in them already. You know.
Okay, no ceilings, motherfucker, good morning. Dick in your mouth while you yawning, I'm going in. Gutter, why they started me? Molly, why they started me? I'll bring it to your friend.
Well, there you guys have it, the Yeezy 500 Super Moon Yellow. As I said before, I like the colorway, I like the shoe, I like the concept, I like everything about it. You know what I'm saying? $200 retail value. And I believe resale right now around $700, I want to say. You know, I'm definitely putting these up right away today. You know, I got to, because shit, I got to. Gotta get the money back that I invested, because the whole thing about this was that the bundle deal came out very expensive because you had to buy clothes in order to get these. You know, but I'm not too worried because I know these will definitely sell, and the clothes, they're not gonna go for below retail. They're gonna go for retail, so that's not a bad indication either. So we're good over here. You know what I'm saying? Nothing to worry about. So you have to think about it in general. If the shoes cost $200, but then the clothes made it come out to $700, that means that the clothes cost $500. You sell the shoes for $700, you make the $500 back. You had to make a $500 profit on a $700 investment. Yeah, I went there. That's how it is. But you definitely have to appreciate the art as well. I'm pretty sure the quality on this is gonna be amazing. I've seen Yeezy clothing in stores, but I never purchased any because of the price. I don't purchase clothes that expensive. If it's shoes, I'll debate it, but I'm not. When it comes to clothing pieces, yeah, it needs to be reasonable. Comment down below if you guys like, dislike this fucking pair of shoes. If you guys would cop, rock, or stock these pair of shoes. You know what I'm saying? Aside from everything that's happening right now with Kanye and the Yeezy and the tweets and all this stuff, we have to just be open-minded. I mean, that's his whole message right now, with love and being positive and open-minded and hearing each other out, treating each other how you would want to be treated. That's something that we represent over here at Complex Exhibition. You know what I'm saying? As you can see, clothing right here, merch coming soon, all that stuff coming soon in the summertime. Hopefully this year we'll get around to it. But for now, stay tuned for more music reactions, more content that we just put out and create. Subscribe to the gaming channel at Complex Exhibition Gaming on YouTube. Just look it up. I'm gonna put the link in the top right, that little button thing, if you're watching your laptop or your PC. Stuff like that, you know what I'm saying? That's the stuff that we gotta just go forward with on our own. Become your own platform, create your own content, and then one day you can probably have your own shoe like Kanye. You know what I'm saying? Who would have thought? An producer turned rapper, turn artist, turn mega artist, turn fashion designer, turn shoe designer, turn mega shoe designer. You know what I'm saying? The hottest shoe on the market. That's without a doubt. If you really think about it, it's the hottest shoe in the market. Jordan's taking a decline right now. Nike still has their hits in here and there. You know what I'm saying? But at the end of the day, this shoe right here is the one that people die for. They sell it like crazy. I believe Kanye tweeted the actual facts, the stats that have been going on with the sales. He's breaking records. And that's what happens, man, when the influence is so heavy, and when your message fundamentally is positivity and love. You overcome a lot of things. So we have to just stay narrow on that roll right there. Stay narrow on that journey, and you'll get to where you want to get to in life, man. But put all the bullshit aside, politics aside, and we have to appreciate these things, man. I'm someone, I look at these shoes and I really just love the color. I love the color. I appreciate the color. I appreciate the mesh, the leather, everything about the material on the shoe. You know what I'm saying? The lace is pure, perfect mustard yellow. It's detail, attention to detail, and just craftsmanship and just ideas that be created, and I just appreciate it. You know what I'm saying? It makes me appreciate a Skechers. It makes me appreciate a New Balance. It makes me appreciate things that people usually wouldn't appreciate or call corny. We have to think outside the box and really think about that someone created these things, and there's a purpose for these shoes. Aside from them being also artistic, they're also comfortable shoes. They're made for walking, and it's also like, damn, it's just a fucking shoe. It's made for walking. Oh, it's an ugly pair of shoes. Well then, my nigga, you also wouldn't wear a pair of Jordans according to you, right? You don't care about J's. Oh, well, then why do you know what I'm saying? There's just people just say things, but they don't think about things. There's a heavy hypocritical factor to a lot of the majority of opinions out there today, but we just have to steer away from the majority and stand out from the crowd and just be on your own, man, and stay true to yourself. Oh shit, this shit done turned to inspirational video. My apologies. No, not my apologies. You have to balance it out. Keep that in everything that you do. But then again, I would like to thank you guys for watching. You know what I'm saying? Sneakerheads, people heads, lovers of anything, humans out there in the world. Comment down below, subscribe, hit the notification button for more videos. Every time they come up, you get them on your phone, you get the notification. That's what the notification means. But yeah, until next time, man. Peace, love, and positivity. Sound! Nah, fuck that shit. We gonna burn these shits.
They say I'm crazy, but that's the best thing going for me. You can't lynch Marshawn or Tom Brady throwing to me. I made a million mistakes, but I'm successful in spite of them.